What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of 69 Baja Outdoors. In this episode, we are going to be working on Mud Cricket's rear suspension system. I do need to tie in like a coffer bar, and I'm not sure how far I'm going to get on this in this video. I really don't know yet. I've got a lot to do. I've got to pull the rear shocks. I do have a lot of trimming to do and a lot of calculating on the fly, if you will. So with that being said, let's get to it.
Too Chevy.
So it's a new day. We do have the package shelf area all trimmed up, and the shock towers are off. All of that's off. And this is my issue right here. This is the driver's side shock tower. It's 3/8 plate. I mean, it's pretty stout and it's pretty damn heavy. It is gusseted. Several months ago, for those of you that have been following, you'll recall I had the catastrophic failure on my way to Florida where we were towing the bug, or flat towing the bug. Anyway, when I lost my CV axle, it launched the car up in the air. And in doing so, it actually bent this plate. I can't really see it by eye, but it's bent. I don't have a press, so I think what's going to wind up happening. Is I'm going to try and find a press to do this one, but for this video, we're going to do the passenger side. That one's fine. I know I wanted to tie them together, but I came up with something else. But let me show you what I was talking about. So here is the shock tower. And I know I'm sure you can see that, but it's got to be at least 1/4 of an inch on the far side. That's pretty bent. I can't believe it. I thought it bent down here by the base or somewhere else. I didn't think this plate was actually bent. It actually creased the plate right down the center here. So now that this is a nice straight shot in, instead of going all the way across, I think what I'm going to wind up doing is tying into the framework of the package tray.
I'd say that was pretty damn quick.
Yeah, I think it is too.
That was pretty hot.
So after it's all cleaned up, it's gonna get welded like this, and then it'll be on passenger side, it'll be like this, like shock tower right here. I still need to clean this up, but I wanted to show you guys before I cut off the camera. So make sure you bevel all of your weld spots. All of these welds getting in here. I forgot to hit that one, but yep. Don't forget to clean the inside. I'll file all that before we tack it all together. So we have it mocked up right now. We're gonna tie it in. I'm gonna drill some holes. I got one on each side. So there's gonna be 2 bolts in here and then fully welded around there. I can't weld it yet because the driver's side is bent. And I have to have the cage on here so to make sure that the cage will slide on and off. So I can't really weld it yet. I can't tack anything in place until I have both sides done and the cage in place. So I guess that's gonna do it for this video. And I guess that's all I can do for now. I'm not sure when I'll get the finished product. I do have some irons in the fire to have the driver's side straightened. I don't know when I'm gonna get to that. And I have some other parts for the engine that's gonna go in. I was gonna do a video on that, but of course, you know, those parts are now a week out. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do next week. Maybe I'll hit the trout stream or something, I don't know. It's supposed to snow like crazy this weekend, so maybe I'll get some frozen footage, who knows. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I do answer every comment, and I greatly, greatly appreciate them. So until next time, we'll catch you all on the flip side.